Hello. Hi, what happened to your eye?
My ex-boyfriend.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I hope you're giving her information of how to take care of that.
I've talked to her about that as, and Your Honor, we have a sensitive subject that we need to bring up today as well.
All right. If you all will meet me in the hallway, I'll talk to you in the hallway. Just have a seat.
Thank you.
If you'll have a seat, counsel, I'll speak to attorneys in the hall. Oh, have they left the building?
I don't know if they're not outside. This is,
All right. Does anyone have if somebody wants to call them, and I'll wait. If you all want to call them.
you don't have, they took your phone?
No, not expected.
All right. So if somebody has their number and you want to call them, and then I'll call you guys back up. Okay. All right. Thank you. Hello.
Hello, Judge.
Hi. How are you doing?
Doing good. Nice to meet you.
All right. Nice to meet you too. So you're the father?
I am.
Okay. All right. So this is what I always tell parents. And I used to be a defense attorney, so I know how it is with parents. When parents have children, their child can be 40, that's still their baby, and they want to be involved. And it's especially true when you have a child who is young, 17, 18. But here's the thing, in this world, they're all considered adults. And when they have an attorney or something, the relationship is between them and their attorney. I used to have to tell parents all the time because sometimes the parents would hire me. And I used to have to sit down with parents and say, hey, you've hired me, you're paying me, but that's the end of our relationship. You can't be a part of discussions I have with my client because guess what? If you're part, I would tell them, if you're a part of discussions I have with my client, then there's no attorney-client privilege. And you know what ends up happening with that? When there's no attorney-client privilege, guess what? You can be called as a witness. Anybody who's in that room having a conversation, it's all fair game. They can be called as a witness. And maybe sometimes there's something that maybe a client wants only their attorney to know, and they don't want other people to know. But when parents are in the room, guess what? That all goes by the wayside. And sometimes we have to let our children go and let our children be adults. So on this side of the fence, I would always tell parents, it's great. I need you to be supportive. I need you to make sure that my client, your child, is keeping their mental health great. They know that everybody is rooting for them and are a part of their team. And I would tell them, but that's where it ends. And it can't go past that because when it does, there's an issue. And let me just tell you my experience with one case I had in the past. Had this client very young.